Hello everyone, welcome to Earth Realtor YouTube channel. And today we are in Wave Estate Sector 85 Mohali. And the project we are going to showcase is Wave Gardens, in which we have 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 3 plus servant. And the unit we are going to show you today is 3 BHK with servant room. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is 3 BHK with servant room sample flat in Wave Gardens Sector 85. So as we enter, there is a one big door, big royal door. This is factory made door. The quality is very good, very heavy door has been used. So once we enter, there is a drying area in front, and on the left side there is a dining area. The size of drying area is very good. It is 19.5 feet into 11.5 feet. One thing about the unit, the complete flooring Italian marble has been used, and in the rooms the wooden flooring has been given by the developer. In complete unit you are getting total of 5 split ACs. So along with drying area there is one attached balcony. There is a complete glass frame in a UPVC panel. The sliding doors have been used. The balcony is very spacious, very wide, and the complete Italian marble has been used in balcony also. This will be the view you will be getting from all the units. Just next to drying area there is a dining area. The dining area size is very good. It is 13 feet by 10.5 feet. You can easily place your 10 to 12 seater dining table here, and still you have lot of space for the movement. You will be getting one split AC in the dining area also. Just next to dining room there is first bedroom. The guest bedroom. The size of bedroom is quite good. It's 11.5 feet into 14 feet approximately. As told earlier, the incomplete rooms you will be getting wooden flooring, and you will be also be getting one split AC. The size of room is quite good, so you get ample space for the movement from one place to another. So with each room there is one attached washroom also. The size of washroom with this room is 6 feet by 7 feet approximately, and the fittings used are of Grohe. So there is one attached balcony along with this room. Again the sliding door has been used, and the balcony size is quite good. The complete flooring in this balcony is of anti-skid tiles. Again the view is very beautiful from the balcony. So just next to guest bedroom there is second bedroom of same size, that is 11.5 feet into 14 feet. Again the flooring which has been used is of wooden flooring has been used with one split AC in the room. The washroom, there is one attached washroom also of same size as guest bedroom. Again there is one balcony which is common with another guest bedroom also, the same balcony. So just next to second bedroom, now we are entering the master bedroom. This is really of a grand size. The size of master bedroom is 13 feet by 11 feet, and we are not including the dressing area in it. So the size is very good. Again the flooring will be of wooden flooring, and there will be one split AC. You can see there The size is very good, and this area is for the dressing area. And there is one attached washroom, the biggest washroom in the unit. Again, all the fittings will be of Grohe brand. The flooring in master bedroom washroom is also of marble. The Italian marble has been used in the master bedroom washroom. In master bedroom, there is one attached personal balcony with sliding full glass window door is there. So the toughened glass has been used. The sliding doors are there, and there is one personal white balcony with the master bedroom. So you can enjoy the morning view. Very beautiful view, open view is there. You can enjoy the panoramic view of complete Wave Estate from this unit. Just next to dining area, there is a powder room. So if any guest is visiting your house, they can use this powder room instead of giving them entry into your rooms. So they can use this powder room as a washroom. So it maintains your privacy. Just next to dining area, there is a big kitchen. Kitchen is very spacious, and you will be getting completely modular kitchen with chimney, RO and geyser. The color combination and work done is very good, very high-end work. With kitchen, there is one utility balcony also, which all the way goes to your servant room. So this is entrance to servant room. The servant room basically have two entrances, one from the outside and one through the kitchen. The size of servant room is around 6 feet by 7 feet, and there is one attached washroom also. As I told, the servant room has dual entry, one through the kitchen and one through outside. So this is the main entrance again. This is the lobby area. So in each tower you will be getting the similar lobby area. So once you enter your tower, there will be this waiting area where sofas has been placed. So if in case there is any guest you don't want him to meet, you can ask him to wait here. With each unit you will be getting one locker box also. And as you can see in video, there is one security guard sitting. So 24 hours the security guard would be there in each tower. And now we are in the lift area. So there are two lifts. One is cargo lift and one is passenger lift. And there is two emergency staircase also. So everything is well planned.